this podcast will give them pleasure.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح
Hey there,
تنهدى
thank you for
صاحي
making
كي
our podcast.
تستريح.
So I'm Zianka Inaya as the host for today. And here there's our special guest from Language Division. And I'm also the part of them. Hello Alia and Kamsa. Maybe you can introduce yourself first.
Alright. Hello everyone. So my name is Alia Maliha Rahman and I'm vice leader of Language Division.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Gupta and I'm an active member of Language Division.
Hello everyone, my name is Zianka Inaya. I'm also the leader of Language Division. And so today in our new episode, we're gonna talk about our new topic. We will talk about English Division journey. So far, maybe you guys curious what's usually English Division do every day. Curious what's inside of our program. Let's be sharing in this podcast with the member of Language Division. As we know, IDN really thinks that speaking with English is his priority, right? So, I want to ask Language Division how they can handle all students who keep speaking English. Okay, just start from my first question. What kind of activities does the English Division usually organize?
Usually, the division of vocabulary activities are the Monday night and also Friday night. And vocabulary comes every Friday night. Then from our school, there's an activity namely is International Day once a year. So this is like an event that is with fun. But in that event, we have to speak English. So native speaking is very useful to improve our English skills and this activity so that we get used to it and improve our knowledge about English and in the native speaking activity we just play a game to have fun.
And for the second question, have you ever faced any challenges while being in this division? How did you overcome them?
Alright, so maybe it's a matter of challenges. Of course, every division will have challenges, right? So from language division, maybe it's like more difficult to remind people to speak in English, of course.
Yes, of
Alright.
course.
Of course. And also sometimes they speak English in front of us, but behind of us, they don't use English, right? So it's hard to write their name, of course, because we have to write the letters who speak English.
And sometimes, as I see, most of them, after they speak harsh words or speak bahasa, they directly to change it because they scared if you are doing it.
Yeah.
And they will not realize if they speak that before you look at them. Is it?
Yeah.
And for the third question, what was the most memorable event you have participated in throughout this division? Like, what event that you guys ever handled in this language division?
All of them, teachers, it also adds to our experience, and we can also train ourselves to be more disciplined, and we can also have to be role models. Right? But I asked about the most memorable event. Maybe the native speaking, because even though we only handle it, it was also fun for us, even though we only became like coursework. Then we also learn and play. So it was very fun and enjoyable to play with them.
So usually if native speaking, they play also learn.
Yeah,
What usually native speaking that you handle? What's the activity?
So the first one by one, one person they have to answer the question that we asked to them. And
it's like about two phrases, one word. So example, I asked to Tante Janeta, like, example, what is in English telur? And after that, Tante say, it's egg. And after that, I ask again to the other person. I ask, what is in English mata? And then after that, I tell the person saying like, it's answer, it's I. And then after that, the other person asks again, and then I ask what is in English of sapi, and then and then the person say like cow. And then after that, the other asks me like what is telur mata sapi, like that. So it's like combined.
So they can learn also playing in the same time.
Yes, of course.
Nice. And for the last question, if the English division were our movie, what would its title?
Oh,
Dumbo? Dumbo?
No, or maybe it's a
Grammar?
grammar gladiators.
Ah.
The fear of English.
Eish. I like
I like
it.
it, right? Okay, it's because being the English division, like, it must be tiring, right? Yeah, you feel it. And there are many challenges that, yeah, or whatever, even though our division is the most feared by students at school.
Yes.
That's why. That all of students in Aiden scared with language division. Even the most curious is security division, but they're more important that the scary one is English division.
And
That's why.
English division is work at all.
Yes.
We also remind Kultum.
Yes, you're
Hope
right.
after this there is no someone that to when Kultum
Yes.
Okay,
Amin.
thank you for Kansa and Arya. Now that's the story from our language division. From this podcast, maybe we can take all positive things from them, like to always stay held on with what they have to do. Thanks for here our Shining Star podcast. See you in our next episode of podcast.